Are you currently getting a message on Facebook that says, sorry, this feature is not currently available, try again? If you are, I know how frustrating that can be. I received a comment about this on one of my other videos and want to dive in today to really look at a few things that could be happening. If you're getting the message, sorry, this feature isn't available right now, try again, then it's usually one of two things. Either one is because of you as a user, or two, it's the platform that you are currently using. So it's like a browser issue or something like that. So we're going to kind of go through both of them. So first, you. The easiest way to check if it's you is to have someone else try to perform that action. So you have a co-host of event or something like that. Now, I do want to say that if it's on an event, then your event might be temporarily blocked. Just because they can't do it too doesn't mean there's not something else going on, but it is something to try. Also, if they can do it for you, it just makes it easier for you. You don't have to go through all the troubleshooting process. You get done what you need to get done and then do what Facebook said, try again later. One of the things that can keep you from doing activity on Facebook is because you're banned, is if you're behaving inappropriately on Facebook. And I use air quotes because we really don't have any guidelines of what that is. It's not like they give us a student code of conduct and say, you have to follow these things. So it's kind of a shot in the dark and they change it all the time. So one of the big reasons that you can be doing inappropriate behavior on Facebook is by sending too many spam messages. But what is a spam message? We really don't know. If a message seems spammy or like that, then they can say, okay, you're acting inappropriately. We're going to take away the feature of you being able to invite someone to an event or to friend request people or anything like that for the moment. And that's the kind of to protect the community. But it would be really nice if they gave us some idea of what they consider a spammy message. Now, if you have too many identical messages, then they think that is spam. And it can be silly stuff. So, for example, on my birthday, I sent all these messages out to people saying, okay, I finally decided what I was going to do because I had no idea what I wanted to do until like last minute. And I got temporarily banned and that said this feature is unavailable of sending messages because I sent the same message to too many people. Now, Facebook has a really cool function now. So if you have an event or a group, you can send messages out to people. And the event one's really awesome because it actually sends out individual messages into their inbox. It's not a group message. If you want me to do a video and show that, let me know, put a comment below, and I'll be happy to do that for you. If you have too many links inside the messages you send, that can also be a trigger for Facebook to say that you're acting inappropriately and being spammy. So even if you have one message you're sending out with multiple links and you send out multiple times, it might trigger the link saying it's too many links that are going out. The other time that I got a message saying that a feature wasn't available is I wanted to comment. So on my birthday, I got all these comments and saying happy birthday. And I wanted to go through and say thank you to every single one. Well, I did that too fast. And Facebook banned me from commenting on post for a short period of time. The other one is that someone reported you on Facebook. And there's no way really to know who reported you or what they reported you for. If they reported you on Facebook, then that could be something else that could keep you from doing activities and have something come up as like this feature is not available right now. The second category is either a browser or an app issue. And I run into this one most of all. I have found that I will try something on Firefox and I'll try something on Chrome and it will work on one and not work on the other. So if there's something that is not accessible to use or something that you can't do at the moment, try a different browser, try your phone, try your computer to kind of mix it up and see if you're able to do it. Now, one of the things is if you're signing in from an unknown location, Facebook can also say to you, well, we're not going to let you do this action right now. It's a way of them protecting that your account hasn't really been hacked. Now, I do want to put a little disclaimer in here. There's so many phishing things right now that are trying to pull you in to give your Facebook password by saying that your account's going to be disabled. I've screenshot a few of these and saved them as I got them. I'm going to go through and like, hey, just beware of what to look for, that kind of thing. So check out that video because that's one of the other things is that if your account gets hacked and someone's logging in from another location, then they can say, okay, well, you're doing the suspicious activity. We're not going to let you do certain things. If you're using an outdated browser or again, like an compatible one, it could do that as well. So if you have not updated your browser for a while and there's a whole bunch of new versions of it, that's also security kind of thing. There's reasons why browsers are constantly updated. So you can also make sure that your browser is updated. You check multiple browsers, and you want to use the official Facebook app to log in. And through the web browser on your phone, it is best if you use the actual app. One other thing to keep in mind with your location is do not use a VPN. And if you don't know what a VPN is, then don't worry about it. But if you do, then turn off your VPN and try that way. There's certain features that are blocked when you use a VPN. Now, if you still are having issues, you want to look to see if your account has been disabled by Facebook. That is so scary to even say that, because so much of our life is kind of on it. It's something that you could be logged in and you not know it's disabled until you log out and try to log in again. If you feel like you've been temporarily blocked by Facebook, there is a way to appeal that. And I'm going to put the link to that down below as well. And the recap of that, you want to see if it's just you, if possible. If you have someone else can try to do the same action as you. You want to make sure that your browser is up to date, that you're not on a VPN, that you're logged in through the normal app. You want to try different browsers